Scarborough Beach could soon be home to new technology to protect swimmers from sharks. In what would be a WA first, local business owners have got together to introduce smart buoy technology.
Shark nets, shark shields, helicopter and drone patrols. Keeping our beaches safe costs taxpayers millions. Now Scarborough businesses are also teaming up to protect their stretch of the coastline.
We set them up in an array depending upon the depth of the water, the configuration of the beach and everything like that, to establish basically what we call a virtual net.
Together, the system is called a clever buoy.
The buoy detects the sharks by using a breakthrough sonar system we developed that measures the shark's unique movement.
Once a shark is detected, a real-time alert can be sent via the phone network.
The idea would be to create a safe environment that people can come down and enjoy the beach knowing that they've got that extra level of safety here.
In what may seem like an unusual move, Scarborough businesses say they're willing to help fund it. They've engaged a working group, taking it upon themselves to come up with their own shark strategy.
And I believe it's a responsibility of not just government, but certainly state government, local government and the business community, and we've got to get together and work out exactly how and what can be funded.
The Clever Buoy has been deployed at Bondi Beach. The World Surf League also uses the technology during their events. The company is in negotiations over in the US at the moment to have it deployed at beaches in Southern California. But despite being developed locally, there's been no commitment here in WA.
The tourists are coming here in bigger numbers and will come in bigger numbers again. You've got to do everything you can to ensure their safety.
The McGowan government says it will consider any future proposals. Scott Cunningham, 9 News.